Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you on how to create Facebook page auto replies. Okay, so the first thing that I need to do is to just open your business meta application and then click on the inbox icon at the bottom corner of your screen. And now click on the three dots at the top right corner of your screen and then click on automations. Okay, now you can see different options here, but you can tap on the instant reply and then try it. Okay, it has been suggested for you, so just click on the messenger icon to mark that as check. So when someone sends you a message for the first time, this message will automatically be sent to them. So you can also customize the message that the Facebook has made for you. Just click on the pencil icon, okay, and then add a message that you want. For example, let's type out "Thank you for reaching." Okay, and then right after that, you can also add personalization. Can also choose the first name of the recipient or the last name of the recipient. So we'll choose the full name of the recipient and then click on save and then tap on save again and just continue clicking on save. And that's it. That's how you can create Facebook page auto replies. So don't forget to subscribe for more video tutorials in the future. Bye bye.